Asking for repetition. Pardon?
Pardon me?
I beg your pardon?
Sorry?
Would you repeat that?
Would you say it again?
Would you mind repeating what you said? Confirming and correcting. I see. Straight to the corner, left and then right.
I see. Straight to the corner, left until I come to the end of the block, and then right.
That's it.
No, you turn right and then left.
Conversations. Dialogue 1. Excuse me, which way is to the post office?
The post office. Sorry, I'm not sure.
Well, thanks anyway. Dialogue 2. Excuse me, can you tell me where Main Street is?
Turn left at the second light and then go straight for 2 blocks.
Is it far?
No, it's only a 5-minute walk. You can't miss it.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Dialogue 3.
Excuse me, where is the Beijing railway station?
You can take the subway to get there.
How long will it take to get there?
It takes only 10 minutes.
May I take a bus or a taxi to get there?
You can take number 1 bus or a taxi.
Excuse me, sir. Where is the number 1 bus stop?
Please turn right at the traffic lights.
Thank you very much.